Hello friends, welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We are diving into the hands-on leaks of the Google Pixel 9 series. Recently, we've seen many leaks about the much-anticipated Google Pixel 9 Pro. These leaks have given us a sneak peek into what we can expect from this new device. The Russian leaker has now obtained all three models of the Pixel 9 series, and it turns out he was indeed the individual responsible for all the previous photo leaks of the Pixel 9. In the initial batch of photos he shares, we see the Pixel 9 Pro XL placed alongside the iPhone 15 Pro, and it's clear to many of you that the Pixel is indeed a larger phone than the iPhone. The back panel confirms the presence of a triple camera setup, while the front panel reveals a rounded device with a flat display. The leaker confirms that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature a 6.73-inch screen. Moving forward, we are presented with a clear comparison of the Pixel 9 alongside the Pixel 9 Pro, confirming that the earlier leaks were accurate. They are indeed identical in size. If you're excited about the Google Pixel 9 series, we are here to cover the full specs, design, and expected pricing for each model in the lineup to help you decide which one is right for you. So hit subscribe now, and let's dive right in. First up is the standard Pixel 9, featuring a 6.24-inch flat display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. It boasts a 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED screen with an expected resolution of 2400 by 1080. The display includes a top-center punch-hole camera for selfies, and although the exact sensor isn't confirmed yet, it's expected to be a 12-megapixel camera. It features a dual-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide-angle primary camera and an additional ultra-wide camera. The phone will run on Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, promising enhancements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. It will be equipped with 12GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and it will be UFS 4. We anticipate a 4600 mAh battery with enhancements to fast charging, aiming for around 30 to 35 watts. The device will feature 5G Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7 and will ship with Android 15. The Pixel 9 is set to launch in October, and it's estimated to cost around $700. Next up is the Pixel 9 Pro, featuring a 6.34-inch flat display with Gorilla Glass Armor protection. It boasts a 120Hz OLED display with an expected resolution of approximately 2992 by 1334. The exact display specifications are currently unknown. It will feature a punch-hole camera at the top center for selfies. Once again, the exact sensor remains unknown, but we anticipate a 12-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, it houses a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The wide-angle camera is identical to the one used in the standard Pixel 9. Powering the phone is Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, promising enhancements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. It will feature 16GB of RAM and storage options of up to 1TB, utilizing UFS 4. The battery is expected to be around 4600 mAh with enhancements to fast charging. Additionally, it will support 5G Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and include an ultra-wideband chip. The phone will ship with Android 15. The Pixel 9 Pro is launching in October. It's estimated to cost around $900. Finally, we introduce the new Pixel 9 Pro XL, featuring a 6.73-inch flat display with Gorilla Glass Armor protection. It boasts a 120Hz OLED display with a Quad HD resolution. We anticipate the Pixel 9 XL to achieve around 2600 to 3000 nits of peak brightness. It will include a punch-hole camera at the top center for selfies, though the exact sensor remains unknown. However, we anticipate a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Moving on to the rear, you'll find a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom. Notably, the 50-megapixel wide-angle camera is the same as the one found on both the standard Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro. Powering the phone is Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, promising improvements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. It will be equipped with 16 GB of RAM and storage options of up to 1 TB, utilizing UFS 4 technology. We are anticipating a battery capacity of around 5,100 mAh with improvements in fast charging capabilities. Given Google's conservative approach, it's challenging to predict, but we are hopeful for at least 40 watts of fast charging. Additionally, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will support 5G Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband technology. It will naturally ship with Android 15. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is slated to launch in October, and as the release date nears, we'll receive more precise pricing details. However, it's estimated to cost around $1,100. The new Pixel 9 lineup meets our expectations from Google. While there's a slight change in design and the introduction of new hardware along with numerous AI features, Google's primary focus remains on the camera department. Therefore, we can anticipate significant improvements in both photos and videos. So, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.